am a huge fan of the Eventide 2016, as is evident that it's sitting here on my shelf. I've got thousands of incredible plugins, and yet there's probably three choice digital pieces that I still have on the shelf. And the reason is there's sounds in it that I can't find anywhere else. The way it works, the way it processes sound, it just does something that I can't find anywhere else. And there's a familiarity to me because I've been using it for so many years that I know if I go to a stereo room or whatever, I know how it's going to respond. And in terms of the illusion of space, it does such a good job for a digital piece. I'm a fader guy. I'm a slider guy. You know, it's one of the reasons that certain consoles I really like, because they have faders instead of knobs. And there's just something cool and tactile about moving that fader and finding that spot, that it's almost more visual in a way. Because a knob, yeah, you can see the little indicator, but the slider, you kind of know, like, I'm going a little past halfway, I'm going to be getting something different. Position features, awesome. I mean, again, there's things about it that I haven't found in any other piece of gear. And that's why I still use it, to this day.